Hi everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I have a DIY Project Life kit, and this one is going to be a black and white or neutral kit. And I decided to make this kit because one of the two last spreads that I have to do in my 2008 album has way too many colors, so I figured that a black and white kit would be perfect. And I actually thought about making a black and white kit when I got this Project Life core kit. This is the Click. Yes, the Click core kit. And I got it a Tuesday morning a few months ago. And I love it because it has square cards and it also has square corners actually. And it has a lot of everyday cards about what you're eating, what you're reading, simple things that you can use any time of the year. I wish the cards were a little bit stronger like the ones in the Studio Calico kits, but you know, at least it has the square corners and it's a really good kit. And it also has a few cards that are horizontal for horizontal spaces, but I can use a few of these in the vertical spaces, or I can cut out some of the elements and use them as embellishments, which I also want to do because I have so many cards. There is at least one way that I can use even more things. And this kit is not gonna have paper because I don't have a 6x6 or 6x8 paper pad that is only black and white or neutrals, and it's also more for Project Life. So if I ever decide to make a card or something else with this kit, I'll just have to use the papers that I have in my stash, and that's just really quick way to do it. But I also love the patterns too and the little simple images. And I'm gonna go into my embellishment drawers and check out some stickers, alphas, also little word stickers. And if you haven't seen my craft room tour, I have an Alex drawer where I keep all my embellishments divided by color. It's an easier way to find them. And I keep the stickers, the bigger ones, in these little baskets. These ones are from Walmart, but you can get something similar at IKEA or Target. And I have a lot of die cuts in there too. The bigger ones actually has the stickers, but I have a smaller one with other things, and I'm dividing the little word stickers and the alphas. I have alphas from Joann's, from Simple Stories, little word stickers from also Simple Stories, and Studio Calico from older kits. Then I have these little dishes for acrylic pieces and rubber pieces. I also got a lot of paper clips, which it's unnecessary. There is no way ever that I am going to use all of these, but as always I try to get as much as I can. I know that I'm not gonna kill these kits, but it's a way to use a lot of things in my stash. I also found more paper clips and the little enamel hearts and stars from Bella Boulevard. I also have older die cut pieces, some little baggies, acetate pieces. I'm also gonna get a few labels and some frames. I didn't find that many frames in the black drawer. I love those freckle fawn little arrows. I love that sticker set. These stickers are from the Click, I don't want to say collection because it's only like 2 or 3 things, but they are for the Click Project Life kits. And I didn't pick those puffy stickers because they had a lot of pink, but they're really cute. They're from an old messy box. And I chose these stickers because they do have some black and white, but they also have the date of the days of the week, and they have alphas too, which I already have a lot and I don't need more, but you know, the more the merrier. I grabbed those stickers from this sticker pad. It's from Target, also from a while ago. I also went into my gray drawer, which I wasn't thinking at first that I would grab gray, but then I decided why not. It's also a neutral. That Polaroid with the arrow I am going to remove because it's kind of green compared to the rest. And I'm not gonna grab way too many gray things. It's just a bunch of the frames and a few doilies. I'm also grabbing these metal pieces and more paper clips. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all those paper clips, but hey. Also some rubber pieces and acrylic pieces. And this is my little stash where I keep my tags and die cuts and stickers. And I grab a few tags because I was thinking that I could type my journaling there, or I could use it to stamp. And I break down a lot of, whenever I have a kit and I have a few stickers left, or I'm gonna pass on some die cuts and I take the ones that I like the most, so this is where I keep them. And here I also have a bunch of little word stickers, mostly from Simple Stories. And I love those stickers from Freckle Fawn, the puffy little letters. I also have some little word stickers. I think those are from an old Studio Calico kit by maybe Jasmine Jones, but I can't remember that well. I also decided to grab the gray drawer with the stickers, which I didn't need to. I have so many stickers, but I didn't add also that many. I grabbed some pieces of flair, which I don't use that often in my project life unless I can remove the backing and make it a little bit flatter. I have this drawer. It's full of labels that I've printed and cut it, and a few others that I got from kits. Most of them are from Caitlin oh, I forgot her name. It's something with Schaefer, maybe. They were for free. She had a bunch of different colors to print and cut. I also have this divider with all die cuts from Citrus Twist kits. Those kits come with a lot of die cuts, so whatever was left, instead of just keeping them in a baggie, this way is easier because they are divided by labels, little words, little shapes like flowers or hearts. I also have tags in there, and I really like this organizer because you can remove some of the little walls and make a few of the spaces a little bit bigger, and that's perfect for the long words and also the tags. And I'm gonna use these CD sleeves to pack my die cuts, and you can recycle these are plastic. You can get a bunch for not that much, and I'm gonna have the link below. I'm gonna keep the big ones in one CD sleeve, and the other ones, the smaller die cuts and the labels, I'm gonna keep in another one. That way they don't get smushed when I put them, because I put the whole kit in a zipper bag. that I got also from Amazon. So I don't want them to be at the bottom and be below things that would crush them. So it's easier this way. I normally put little pieces of rubber and some die cuts in the Dollar Tree cases, but I don't have any free ones. I have 3 for the other kits, and then I have one that is holding my holiday items. So I haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while, so I just figured that it would just be better to put them in a little dish for now. And I am trying to organize my stickers and divide them well. Now I'm gonna pick stamps. I always pick 2 or 3 little stamp sets that I can add to the kit. And I have in my desk 2 of these baskets with stamps that are good for every day. Some of them are just sentiments, others are to track the weather or the day. I also have alpha stamps like that big one from Studio Calico. I have my Ellie Studio dated stamp and the one with the days of the week, some Kelly Perky. And then I have the very little ones that come in Studio Calico and Citrus Twist kits. And all ones from Freckle Fawn from a while back. Back when they have kits. I don't know if they still have kits though. It's been a while. And I could pick those and call it a day, but I need to overthink my choices. And some of them I don't want to pick because they are so general that I can use for any of the layouts that I'm doing. Like I just got some new ones from Everyday Explorer Co. And I don't want to use, I don't want to put those in any kits because those are ones that I'm going to be reaching no matter what. And this is an old sequin mix that was part of my all black and white kit, and I'm just gonna add a few more stars. And these sequin scooper, I don't think it's called a sequin scooper, I think it's used for jewelry making. It's just so convenient to use, and I learned about that tool from Serena B. And I'm gonna have it linked below. I'm gonna try to link below as many things as I can find, since a lot of these things are really old. It's not that easy. And on the left I have those little bottles, and I have a display with those bottles and a bunch of sequins. And then I have the box on the left. The box on the left is easier to store. The others on the left are more for show, but it looks pretty cool and it's still a good way to organize. But if your space is limited, I would go with the one on the right. It's still the same price range. And the little bottles I keep on lipstick organizers that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna make a new sequin mix, and I'm gonna add some black, white, gray, hollow, some clear sequins. And you just keep mixing. If it gets too dark, you can add more white or more clear. I also like to use little seed beads to add like a different texture and shape. And I also have some that have lines, and I really like how this one turned out. I love the black and white mix with a little sparkle. And I'm gonna pick the washi tape, and I always try to find something with words, something that is just one solid color. And when it comes to black and white, you want to pick one that has a pattern that leads more towards black and darker colors, and then one that it's very light and has that it's more white than black. So I picked this one. I have my words, black matte color, a sparkly one, two lighter patterns, and a darker one. And those little jars where I keep my sequins are also from Dollar Tree, and so it's the little dish that I'm using to hold them. You can find that, I think my store was at the party section. This is just a quick overview of the things that I got for this kit. So many paper clips. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all the paper clips. And the CD sleeves, of course. And the smaller one with words and labels, or even more clips. Another quick view of the cards. If I ever want a little bit more of color, some of them have also a little red. I think that's the color that is most present. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because I'm gonna do a process video with this kit. Let me know how you like it, and I hope you guys are staying safe and that you are all doing well. Thank you for watching. Bye.